This is Angie. In this episode, I'm going to attempt to make slip covers to cover that ugly couch that we have going on because it's just worn out. Stay tuned. I have my sewing machine out and I'm all ready to go. I bought a 2-yard sample of upholstery fabric. It is 100% cotton, so I'm going to be washing that and ironing it before we get started. So stay tuned. I have to figure out how big it is and how much fabric I'm going to need. $1 measuring tape from Hobby Lobby. I love it. It's noisy, but I love it. The kids love it too. So I'm going to measure from the back to the front, which will determine my length. It's kind of hinky to get to. And that's about, because I can't see, 34 inches. So if I cut my 2-yard piece of fabric in half, I should be able to get 2 lengthwise. And widthwise, it's about 42 inches. And that piece is 45. So I'll cut off 3 inches, sew it the first time, try it on, see how I do. I'm going to make a template to find my curvature of my chair, because if I sew down the side straight, it'll have little rabbit ears. So I will cut and see if I can make it rounded, scrounged to where it fits. So here's my template. I showed a picture of it on the mat, and I used 5 inches, and I think that 5 inches is about the shape I want to cut the fabric so I can sew it. I am doing what is called a French hem on this. So you sew it on this, the correct side. I guess it's the incorrect side. You sew it and then you turn it inside out, and then you sew it again so that there's no frays on the inside. I will show you what that looks like when I'm done. I think that's about right. So now I'm sewing it wrong side out, and there shall be no frayed edges. But this is the inside. So let me show you. So this side is pretty and this side is non-frayed. So that's why it's that way. Okay, so what I've done here is I have pinned in 30 inches of elastic from one side to the other, just in the front. So it's all done, but I wanted to show you what the inside of the French seam is. So the end result is it's 42 inches wide on ours and 36 inches, same piece of fabric from the back to the front, and then I just put 30 inches of elastic in the front to snug in the crease here. It was just a 2-yard section of fabric that I purchased, and I bought some elastic, and that would be your preference. I think that mine was about 3/8 of an inch because I wanted it meaty enough it wouldn't roll. I don't know. It tucks pretty good. It covered it. I did buy another set so I can make 2 sets because we have a dog that sits on the back of the couch, and I'm sure that's why it wore out so fast. But there you have it. That was my amateur slip cover for our couch, and thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up, and until next time, bye.